Section 1. What is Vision 2030 Jamaica National Development Plan? It is a plan that will guide our country's development over the next 20 years, aims to make Jamaica a developed country by the year 2030, was prepared with the input of Jamaicans from every walk of life at home and abroad, sets a clear vision for our country as stated in the National Vision Statement. Jamaica, the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business. Tells us where we want to be as a country by 2030, goals and outcomes. States what we have to do to get there, strategies. Presents a plan of action to achieve our goals for every 3 years. Includes ways of finding out, indicators, if we have achieved what we said we would over the period. Provides a system that will make sure that we monitor and evaluate what we do.
What does being a developed country mean for us? A developed country is normally described as one that has a high standard of living, good quality roads, bridges, water supply, and sanitation, as well as advanced industries and high levels of research. A developed country also provides a wide range of opportunities and freedoms for its citizens. We will regard Jamaica as developed when our citizens enjoy a high quality of life and benefit from world-class standards in education, healthcare and nutrition, water and sanitation, good roads, bridges, electricity, shelter, clean air and water, healthy forests, watersheds, respect, justice, social order and security.
Vision 2030 Jamaica, the guiding principles. Transparency and accountability, transformational leadership, equity, sustainable urban and rural development, sustainability, economic, social, environmental, social cohesion, partnership. At the center of all of these is our people.
What is Vision 2030 Jamaica? A plan for Jamaica by Jamaicans. The plan includes the views of students, NGOs, and community groups, churches, trade unions, media, and public and private sector groups from across the island and in the diaspora. Their views, along with international best practices and the lessons we learned from past planning efforts, were used to prepare the National Development Plan, which we call Vision 2030 Jamaica. A plan with strong support for implementation. Our National Development Plan has the support of our major political parties. They are committed to making it work, regardless of any change of government in the future. Government budgets, private sector investments, community projects, international development partners, and Jamaicans living abroad will help to provide the resources for the implementation of the plan over the period to 2030. Indeed, implementation of the plan is already underway. Government ministries and agencies are building Vision 2030 Jamaica into their plans and budgets. Many international agencies are using the plan to develop programs and projects for Jamaica. A plan with a new way of thinking. To transform our country, many of us will need to change our mindsets, how we think and view life. As a society, we will need to have a shared set of core values which will allow us to achieve Vision 2030 Jamaica.
Core and transformational values include honesty and truthfulness, respect, trust, forgiveness and tolerance, discipline, punctuality, responsibility, love, compassion, national pride, cooperation, good work ethic. From the Values and Attitude Secretariat, 2002.
We're going to emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. Because while others can free the body, none but ourselves can free our minds. The Right Excellent Marcus Garvey Jr., National Hero of Jamaica, 1937.
I have a vision of what we can be. Come with me and you will see.